Hi everyone, if you want to see your name on your iPhone lock screen as you see here, just watch this tutorial to the end. But first, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. First, after opening the lock screen, just drag here, tap focus, then tap new focus. Here you can select custom and you can add a different color. For example, I selected red color. Here you can select different icon. I selected this fire icon. Now from here insert your name. But first I want to add an emoji. For example, I selected this one. Add name. My YouTube channel is ENG-School. I name it as ENG-School. Okay. Again, this heart emoji. Good. Just next. Customize focus. It is done. Now I think everything is good. Just come back to here. Then just like this. Go to focus. Select this one. Good. Now if I turn off, you see my name appears here. That's it. Please don't forget to like the video. Have a nice time.